Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TK Maths is Fun. In today's video, I will explain to you a concept of integration by parts. It is a part of this topic integration, which is a part of the syllabus of A-level mathematics paper 3. To explain this concept, I have taken a question from CIE exam June 18, variant 33, question 3. So before we begin, you can see on the top my website address and my blog address. tkmathsisfun.blogspot.com. You will find the links of all my videos I have made so far, and my website tkmaths.com. It has more information related to your exam checklist for your exam preparation, online classes. So do visit it, you will find it useful. So let's begin with the question. So the question is saying show all necessary working and find the integration of x cos 3x dx. Now, the moment we look at it, it's not written here you have to apply integration by parts or by substitution. But with practice, we know that only by parts will be applied here, not by substitution. And we have to give answer in terms of pi. Now, you have to recall a formula to do this. And the formula is integration of uv. Now you see two functions are multiplying. We are calling one function u, another function v prime. Basically, it simply means one function with the first derivative and one function just like as it is. Now, which function will be taken as u and which one will be taken as v prime or first derivative? So the word late help us to do this or to select this. Late is basically for L is log A algebra, which is not exponential, rather polynomial. Let me make correction here. It's a misunderstanding here. So it is basically polynomial, right? Algebra or polynomial. The terms which are in x like x square plus 2x, some things like this. And E for exponential and T for trigonometric. So in this question, the two functions which are given to you is x, which is algebra or polynomial, and cos 3x is your trigonometric function. So in this order, you decide your u. If there is logarithm present, you give it a name u. Then second priority is to algebra, polynomial, third priority to trigonometry, fourth priority to exponential. So if we see here, we have polynomial. So my u will be x and my v prime will be cos 3x, right? Beside that, you also need to know what is the differentiation and integration of these. The way I remember, I just remember one thing, that differentiation of sine is cos theta is minus sine theta, tan theta is sec square theta. And integration will be reverse of this. For example, integration of cos theta will be sine theta, integration of sine theta will be minus cos theta, and sec square theta, tan theta. So I only remember differentiation. You will have your way to remember, whatever you find easy with. So let's start integrating x cos 3x. So like I said, my u will be x. And because we have to plug in this formula, right? So I need u, v, u prime, and v prime. So we already have this function. So u is x. If I differentiate this with respect to x, it will become 1, you know, differentiation. If it is cos 3x, your v prime, then to get v, you need to integrate this. So if you integrate cos 3x, integration of cos 3x is sine 3x, and the coefficient of x is 3, which will go in the denominator, right? So now I have all these values which I have to substitute here. So now let's substitute here. U is your x, v prime is your cos 3x, right? So now first of all, u, v, we will plug in here. So u is x and v is sine 3x over 3. I have taken it from here and plug in here. Minus integration of v, which is sine 3x, times u prime, which is first derivative of u, it is 1. Now, do not get confused that why I'm not writing limits. I will write limits at the end. I'll show you about it, what we have to do. Let me first of all integrate, then we will apply limit overall on this function, right? and dx. This is, you know, this is the complete notation. You write function here and then dx. For example, the function is in x. So that's why dx is coming here. So after that, this is coming as it is. 1 over 3 is going outside the integral, and integration of sine 3x will be minus cos 3x divided by 3. You may think, why I'm not writing c? Because we have to go for definite integral. We are applying limit. When we have to apply limit, we do not write plus c. So let's see on the next page. This is just to explain it to you, right? Otherwise, I would write here limit here and then here. Okay. So now I'm writing the limits 0 to pi by 6. And this is my integral, right, which we have gotten. I have shown you in the last slide. So now, simple, in this whole function, I will write upper limit and then minus lower limit, which is 0. So let's do this. So in place of x here, here, and here, at 3 places, I'm writing pi by 6 first of all. Can you notice? And this minus will become plus. So that's why it is 3 3s are 9. So plus 1 upon 9. So this is my one function with the substitution of pi by 6 minus. Now I'm substituting 0 in the function. So upper limit minus, this is minus lower limit. So sine 0, because 3 multiplied by 0 will be 0. Answer will be 0. That's why I've written 0. And you know cos 0, what it will be, because minus multiplied by minus is plus. 3 3s are 9, and I'm writing cos 0 because cos 0 is not 0. Cos 0 is 1, right? So that's why it will become 1, and it will become 1 over 9. Now, where if you see here, I will cancel this, and cos 90, because pi by 2 is 90 degree, right? And cos 90 is equals to what? 1. So that's why this is coming as it is, and it is 1. And sine 90. And then cos 90 is 0. So that's why I've written here 0. After that, I'm simply calculating, and I got the integral of this function. The value is pi over 18 minus 1 over 9. Since question was saying give answer in terms of pi, that's why we will not further simplify it. Otherwise, we can calculate it and give answer in 3 significant figure. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have learned something from it or liked it, please press like, subscribe button, bell icon, press it, and share it with your friends. I have made playlist also, so you can check more videos on playlist also. So thank you very much once again. Take care. Allah Hafiz.